Hello and welcome to Let's Practice Cursive, the series where you can join me on my journey to improving my cursive handwriting. My name's dieyen. Let's get started. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Let's Practice Cursive. This week's episode, we're going to be reviewing the push-pull drill, otherwise known as the slant drill. This exercise is a muscular movement drill, so if you'll notice, there is no movement that comes from the fingers while you do this drill. In positioning the arm, you want to ensure that the hand and arm are pronated, so that the knuckles point towards the sky. As you turn the arm so that the knuckles point towards the sky, your forearm muscle should make very solid contact with the table beneath it. This fleshy portion of your forearm is your fulcrum point. The elasticity of your skin will limit your range of motion. When first beginning with this exercise, take the movement very slowly. Focus on activating the correct muscles in the back and the arm. The latissimus dorsi on the side of your back is one of the main muscles used in muscular movement. Also, the posterior deltoid is activated when using muscular movement. Focus on activating these correct areas of the arm and back when doing the drill. Once you have found the correct positioning for your arm, notice that the writing arm does not move from this original position. The assistant hand, in this case the left hand, will move the paper from side to side and down as needed as you progress with the drill. This keeps the writing arm within what is known as the writing zone. Once you're comfortable with this exercise, you can move on by incorporating some rhythm into the drill. I do this by counting the downstrokes. Start off by counting 10 downstrokes with this drill. As we progress, you will see that I move on to doing 20 downstrokes, followed by 50 downstrokes, followed by 100 downstrokes. On the last line, I work to cover the entire line doing the push-pull drill. I don't count out my strokes, but I do my best to maintain a consistent rhythm. Counting helps maintain rhythm during this exercise, and muscular movement requires a lot of rhythm when being applied practically to your handwriting. You will also notice that as I progress through this practice session, that my pace doing the push-pull drill will gradually quicken till the end. Make sure to join us next week where we discuss the compact oval drill and how to correctly apply that in muscular movement writing. I hope that this exemplar provides you with an excellent example for how to properly carry out muscular movement. The slant drill is one of the first basic exercises when developing muscular movement, and this is where I recommend you begin. I will now stop talking and allow you to enjoy the rest of this video.